For over 30 years, Pakistan-sponsored terrorism has turned India into a war zone. And the latest massacre in Pahalgam is just one more bloody stamp in India's decade-long battle against terrorism. This shows that terror knows no borders, and when chaos is orchestrated from across the border, India bleeds. Here is a brutal timeline of some of the deadliest attacks that have left permanent scars on India's heart and soul. 1993 Mumbai serial blasts. On March 12, 1993, 12 coordinated explosions ripped through Mumbai, India's financial capital. Over 250 lives were lost, 700 were injured, and Mumbai was transformed into a war zone in a matter of hours. The mastermind, the fugitive gangster Daud Ibrahim, with direct backing from Pakistan's criminal underworld. 1999 hijacking of IC-814. On December 24, 1999, Pakistani-backed terrorists hijacked an Indian Airlines flight, forcing it through Lahore, Amritsar and Dubai before landing in Taliban-controlled Kandahar. The price for the passengers' freedom? India was forced to release deadly terrorists like Masood Azhar, the same terrorist whose release was demanded by his terror group Harkat-ul-Ansar during the 1995 Western tourist kidnapping in Kashmir. But since the demand was not met, another allied terror group, Harkat-ul-Mujahideen, went on to hijack the IC-814, successfully getting the release of Masood Azhar, who later formed Jaish-e-Mohammed, a terror group responsible for countless future atrocities on Indian soil. 2001 Indian Parliament attack. Barely a year later, Pakistan's terror unleashed its venom again, this time in the heart of India's democracy. 5 heavily armed terrorists of Jaish-e-Mohammed stormed the Indian Parliament, sparking a gunfight and killing 6 security personnel. The mastermind of the attack was Masood Azhar, while local support was provided by Afzal Guru, who received a death sentence for his involvement. 2006 Mumbai train bombings. On July 11, 2006, Pakistan's terror puppets Lashkar-e-Taiba and Pakistan's Inter-Services Intelligence struck Mumbai's suburban trains during rush hour. 7 explosions over 11 minutes killed nearly 200 innocent civilians. 26/11 Mumbai terror attack. Just 2 years later came 26/11, a 4-day siege that turned Mumbai into a battlefield. 10 Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists, trained and launched from Pakistani soil, stormed iconic landmarks like Taj Hotel, Oberoi Trident, CST Station and Nariman House, claiming the lives of 166 people, including foreigners and security personnel, who were butchered as the world watched in horror. 2016 Pathankot Air Base attack. The carnage didn't stop there. In January 2016, Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists attacked the Pathankot Air Base, one of India's key military installations, leading to a fierce 17-hour standoff. 2016 Uri attack. Later the same year, in September 2016, Jaish-e-Mohammed struck again in Uri, ambushing an Indian army base and martyring 19 soldiers. 2019 Pulwama attack. Then came the gut-wrenching Pulwama terror attack on February 2019, where a Jaish suicide bomber rammed an explosive-laden vehicle into a CRPF convoy, martyring 40 brave soldiers. The bloody fingerprints of Pakistani handlers and ISI backers were all over the operation. 2024 Raisi terror attack. The Raisi terror attack that happened last year on June 9, 2024 took place when a bus carrying Hindu pilgrims to the Shiv Khori cave temple in Katra was ambushed by terrorists belonging to the resistance front, resulting in the death of 9 pilgrims, including a 2-year-old and a 14-year-old, and left 41 others injured. And just when the wounds of Pulwama were beginning to heal, on April 22, 2025, terrorists struck the heart of Kashmir's tourism, Pahalgam. In broad daylight, gunmen opened fire at Baisaran, killing 26 innocent visitors, including women and children, marking the deadliest massacre in the valley since Pulwama. Each attack, each lost life, stands as irrefutable evidence that Pakistan continues to nurture, shield, and unleash terror against India. And with every drop of blood spilled, India's resolve only hardens. We will neither forget nor forgive.